It's your boy TG Tone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, today's video, here to talk about, number one, the psychology aspect when it comes down to investing and trading. I'm gonna add trading into this video. Even though I'm not a trader, I'm still gonna talk about it in this video. Cause I tried it before and I was losing, right? I'm gonna keep it real, word. And then we also gonna talk about my top 5 companies in my portfolio. And we're gonna talk about the year to date and how the companies has been doing and why I and those that obviously invest into the companies enjoy these companies, right? I can't just speak for myself because the stock market is a global thing. Alright, so anyway, first things first though, shout outs to everybody that's been supporting the channel. Thank you to anybody that's new to the channel, returning supporter. And of course, shout outs to the SR community and the NoFap community. This is your first time to the channel and you want to help me reach my YouTube goals, subscribe. Alright? Appreciate it. Now, listen, man. Your psychology and your discipline, you need that. Alright? In the stock market, your ego, you gotta put it over there. Alright? You have to adapt to a different mindset shift. There is unlearning and relearning that has to be done because the stock market is gonna show you the truth, bro. How money moves in real time, any limiting beliefs you had, those go away. This is how you build a financial shift in your reality that is mandatory. The reason why I'm saying that it's mandatory is because you have to get it ingrained in your subconscious mind that yes, I have to take care of responsibilities on this planet. That is very real. I also have to pay myself first. You have to make yourself a priority because your future self will thank you. Alright? This is not a instant gratification journey. So if you're looking to get into the stock market and you're trying to make $100 turn into $1,000 in 2 days and 3 days, I'm gonna need you to simmer down. This is a skill that you have to take serious, right? And this is a skill that you have to study. Gotta study it. Gotta take action. Because the studying is what's gonna help you grow. You know? Studying the charts, paying attention to it, looking at it for yourself, experiencing it for yourself. Alright? Knowing that money is energy, it's abundant. I have to accumulate the money. I gotta get the money. That's why I do my Uber Eats grind, right? I gotta get the money. And then I have to make these smart decisions as to, alright, I have to own the assets. You have to own the assets. Okay? Yes, you have to save money. And yes, you have to own the assets. Alright. You Your psychology is not on some, I'm gonna be afraid to invest because I don't know the unknown. I'm gonna be afraid to invest because I've heard that investing is hard. Or nah, like you have to. This is a journey. This is an experience for you to think more optimistic, and for you to see how abundant your human experience can be if you're willing to put in the work. Alright? The stock market, or if you're in trading, right? You trade in the Forex markets. This is something that is unlimited. So are you willing to put in the work to acquire something that's meant for you to acquire? You could do it. It's a positive source of income. Yes, it's a journey. Yes, it's a grind. But it's a positive way for you to change your financial journey. Are you willing to do it? Or are you willing to just say, oh, I don't want to try? Why not try? Do you feel like you're not good enough to do it? Do you feel like you don't have the discipline within you to own an asset and just let it sit, buy and hold? Diversify the portfolio. On Apple, on Google, on Amazon, on Usability Estate. Like, you could do it. Do not be a person that is so eager to all right, you buy the stock, right? You buy the stock price goes down a little bit. Oh, I'm about to sell my stock. Don't be one of those people, bro. Don't be one of those people. The stock market goes through fluctuations in life. Just like you as a person, you as a human being, right? You go through your own emotions. I know I go through my own emotions, bro. I be having my great days and I be having my learning experience days. But listen, man, we here. Right? The market fluctuates. Prices go up, prices go down. You have to stay the course. Be patient. Trust in the process. Alright? Long term is the key. Long term and the inner game. Could I have this written down? Can I catch me looking down? I can't even see. Hopefully I can see that. Whatever. But long term is the key when it comes down to the stock market, when it comes down to life just in general, and when it comes down to training your psychology. Long term. Think long term. Don't think so short term. I'm gonna own these stocks for just 3 months, for 5 months. No, bro. This is for life. This is for the rest of your life, bro. This is for you to experience this. Real talk. Alright? And the inner game, you have to, internally, you have to know that you're capable of doing it, and you gotta believe in yourself, bro. You gotta believe in yourself. You have to, it's an inner belief that you have to stay connected to. Can't wait for the whole entire world to believe in you until you believe in yourself. No, you gotta believe in yourself first. You have to believe in you first. Alright? Okay. Now, I'm gonna end the video for this. 5 companies in my portfolio that I'm gonna talk to you guys about the year to date and why I like these companies, right? And why other people like them too. Okay. First company, Apple. So, Apple, I embrace Apple. I embrace their creations. They got the Vision Pros, they got the iPhones, they have the iPads, freaking AirPods. They created so many different things. And to me, to be able to see that as a person here out here on planet Earth, like we really experiencing some powerful creations, bruh. And from where Apple first started, especially when I was a kid, like we had the little like iPods, word, and now to see like how they just created so much better things, to me, is amazing. So Apple is a buy and hold, point blank period. Year to date, the stock is only down $9.79, 5%. Year to date, it's only down $9. Like, come on, now. You could go to the store, get one product, the price go down the next week or 2 weeks, you gonna get it again because the price went down. So look at it the same way in the stock market. This is where opportunity is built, when prices are down and you have a chance to get it at a lower discounted price. Okay. Number 2, Amazon. Yeah, I know I love Amazon. I tell you guys to invest into Amazon because they greatness. They're greatness, all right? I don't know how it personally is to work in a warehouse, but I will say I do be seeing the Amazon workers out here, like on the Amazon trucks and stuff like that, and they deliver packages, and I'd be like, let's go. Like, I enjoy that. I ain't gonna front. I enjoy like seeing the company and knowing that, bro, like Amazon is adding value to the planet. All right, so currently the stock is up $36.06 year to date at the making of this video, and it's up 23.73%. So Amazon definitely has been doing this thing. It's been cooking. If y'all want to invest into Amazon, you could have bought Amazon when it was $88, $86, man. Okay, so that's that. Then we got Tesla. Now, to me, this is my personal opinion. Your personal opinion is your personal opinion, right? Tesla is a big W, bro. Tesla is a big W. One of my goals and aspirations in life is to own a Tesla one day in life. Speaking into the universe. Word. To own a Tesla, right? When I'm, feel me, where I want to be. Because, bruh, when I see their cars, I'll be like, yo, bro, that's the best car on the planet. That's just my personal opinion. Some people may like Lamborghinis. Some people may like Ferraris, Corvettes, freaking Hummers, all types of cars, right? Me personally, I just feel like Tesla is just the future of a lot of different things. And then not just a car company, you know? And then like too, they got self-driving FSD, right? They got self-driving cars, bro. Y'all can't tell me that that's not greatness. That is an amazing creation. Bruh. Tesla, and even too, right? So right now, Tesla's year to date is down $73. $73.76, right? It's down 29.68%. A lot of people will be scared. A lot of people will be fearful, bro. Tesla went up to like two something, past $200 something. People was getting in. It dipped down year to date. It's shaky. Why? It's a 29% discount. That's opportunity. Get you some Tesla, bruh. Word. If you want to, that's up to you. Cause I ain't no financial advisor. Bruh, for me though, Tesla for the win. Tesla for the win, bruh. Word. Alright, next stop. Alphabet, or better known as Google. Year to date, up $29.69, which is 21.25%. The stock, you on YouTube, you might as well, listen man, get you some Google because you're on YouTube. It makes sense. It's the best search engine, right? Our internet browser, Google, search engine. YouTube, content creation, owned by Google. And the stock is under $200. Apple, under $200. Amazon, under $200. Google, under $200. Tesla, under $200. Like, it's money to be made, y'all. It's waiting for you. It's like, yo, bro, discounts, because it's you gotta see it. You gotta see it. And last company in my portfolio, I tell you all the time, get y'all some real estate. Realty income year to date, it's only down $2.63. It's only down $2. $2! Which is 4.58%. Alright? Get y'all some realty income if you would like. Once again, I'm not here to tell y'all what to do. I'm here to give y'all the companies that I own in my personal portfolio. And that's it. Do what you want. I'm here to continue to talk about investing because I'm here to welcome myself into this niche because I owe it to myself and I owe it to y'all. Real talk. So, if y'all enjoyed the content, y'all gained something from the video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave in comments below. Remember, psychology. Psychology is everything in the markets. Don't be too fearful. Just take action, study, be disciplined, be patient, ground your energy, stay open to receiving, and stay the course, bro. Stay the course. I'm about to go get this workout in. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Yes, sir.